Applying sum and difference identities. If one of the angles A or B in identities is a quadrantal angle, then the identity allows us to write the expression in terms of a single function. Okay? I find that students are not very good at this concept, even though you should be. Okay, remember the quadrantal angles are the ones that I said you all should know. Okay, quadrantal angles put us in these positions. Okay, and so if I said sine 90 degrees, I'm looking at the y coordinate. I'm looking at the y coordinate at 90 degrees. Sine 90 equals 1, right? Everyone should know this. Everyone should be good at this because we've talked about it kind of a lot. If I said cosine 180 degrees, everybody should know that I'm talking about the x coordinate at 180 degrees. That's -1. If I said cosine 270 degrees, go to 270 degrees, the cosine is the x number. Cosine 270 degrees equals 0. We should know all of these. Okay? We should know these quadrantal angles. They should be quick. Okay? It's not difficult. It's probably the easiest concept of the day, but I find students, they're kind of weak at this problem right here in example 3. Write cosine 180 minus theta as a trig function of theta alone. Okay? So you look at this, and you're like, well, I don't know how to do that. But you should notice a pattern here that we see. Okay? That's a cosine difference formula. And the cosine difference formula, if you need to go back and look at it, the cosine difference formula says cosine cosine plus sine sine. Cosine cosine plus sine sine. So it's going to be cosine 180 cosine theta plus sine 180 here's sine theta. Okay? Just use the format, use the form that's given by the cosine difference formula. Difference formula. Okay? Cosine inside minus. Okay, so cosine 180. We ought to know cosine 180 from that picture above, from that circle above, the unit circle. We know cosine 180 is a -1. So we have -1, and we don't know what cosine theta is, but that's okay. Plus sine 180, we should know sine 180. What's sine 180? 0, right? Sine 180 is the y coordinate, right there, is 0. So if I was going to clean this up, 0 times sine theta is just 0. That's going to cancel out. I have -1 times cosine theta, which is just negative cosine theta. Okay? Go back and look at the directions again and look at what it says to do. It says write that thing as a trig function of theta alone. So write a trig function of theta alone. That's exactly what I did. Negative cosine theta.